This video is in response to a support ticket we just got from one of our users, but we thought it was an interesting question and might be of wider interest, so hence this video. And the question is whether it's possible in Adaptable to create a conditional style where the column showing the style is not the one that's in the rule. So essentially you style column 1 based on a rule concerning column 2. And the answer is you can do that in Adaptable, and in fact you can do it in two ways. So I thought it'd be interesting to show them. They both use format column and are both very similar. So let's create a new format column. And what we will do is we will say in this demo, in this example, that the name column is going to be styled where the GitHub stars column is greater than 20,000. So the first thing we do is we say which column will show the style, and that's name. And then we do condition, and in fact we're going to look at two different types of condition. So first let's look at our expression, which is a Boolean query. And this is very simple. Here we say GitHub stars is greater than 20,000, that's the condition. And then this is how the name column will be styled. So let's say it's going to be yellow and bold. And there we are in the all the ones where it's greater than 20,000. You can see it's yellow and bold. So that's one way of doing it, using an expression. But there's a second way, so let's suspend that just so that it's inactive, but we haven't deleted it. And let's create a second format column, and again we will do it on name, but this time we will use a predicate condition. Now typically when you use a predicate, you use the active column. In other words, the column that will be evaluated by Adaptable's query language when the predicate runs is the same column which was defined in scope, which will show the style. But as you can see, there is an option to evaluate the predicate on a different column, and that's exactly what we want here. So we will choose this option, and now we will select the column, which is GitHub stars. We will choose the predicate, which is greater than, and we will have an input of 20,000. And in fact, let's create exactly the same style as we did before. So it's yellow and bold, and there we are. There's the same effect where the GitHub stars is greater than 20,000, we are showing this style, but we've got this active one which uses the predicate. They actually look similar here because both of the predicate and the expression actually get evaluated down to the same way. But if we make this one inactive and then we make this one active that shows the expression, the first one we created, again, you can see it's exactly the same. So the answer is yes, in Adaptable you are able to style a column, or it could be a set of columns, or it could be a whole row or data types or whatever, but where the scope, the things being styled, are different to the columns being evaluated. I hope that answers our user's question, and as I say, I trust that will be of wider interest. If you'd like to know more about conditional styling and formatting, or about predicates and expressions in the Adaptable query language, please get in touch. We'll be delighted to provide you with a personalised demo or give you a free, no obligation trial license. Thank you for watching.